Mental health affects every aspect of our lives, yet it's often misunderstood and neglected. Many people still believe outdated notions about mental health, thinking it's something to be brushed aside or that it's not as important as physical health. However, recent scientific research has shown the profound impact mental health has on our overall well-being. A comprehensive study involving over 800 patients over 4 years has revealed how addressing mental health can dramatically improve quality of life. In today's video, I'll share these groundbreaking findings and guide you through actionable steps to better mental health. Before we continue, please show your support by liking our video. This helps YouTube recognize the value of this information and spread it to a wider audience. Unfortunately, many people lack access to quality public health care, making it crucial to share this video online. Alright, let's get started. Make sure to stay until the end for an exciting bonus step that you won't want to miss. What is mental health? Mental health refers to our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, influencing our ability to handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Imagine it as the foundation of our overall health, shaping our experiences and interactions every day. Just like physical health, mental health is something we all have and need to take care of. Good mental health is essential at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. It impacts our productivity, relationships, and overall quality of life. Think about it. When you're mentally healthy, you're more likely to perform well at work or school, maintain healthy relationships, and cope with life's challenges effectively. For children and teens, good mental health supports their development, enabling them to build strong social connections and achieve educational goals. In adults, it contributes to a balanced life, helping to juggle responsibilities and pursue personal aspirations. And for older adults, it ensures a dignified, fulfilling life by managing changes and staying engaged in meaningful activities. Ignoring mental health can lead to severe consequences, not just for the individual, but also for those around them. Poor mental health can result in decreased productivity, strained relationships, and even physical health issues. It can lead to mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and more severe conditions like bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. The good news is, mental health can be nurtured and maintained. Simple practices like regular exercise, a healthy diet, sufficient sleep, and mindfulness can make a significant difference. Seeking help when needed, whether through talking to friends and family or consulting a mental health professional, is crucial. Understanding and prioritizing mental health is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. So, let's take this journey together and learn how we can all support our mental well-being and that of those around us. Common mental health disorders. Some common mental health disorders include depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. These conditions are more prevalent than many realize, affecting millions of people worldwide. Despite their prevalence, there is still a lot of misunderstanding and stigma surrounding them. These conditions can significantly impact daily life, affecting one's ability to work, maintain relationships, and even carry out basic tasks. Let's take a closer look at each of these disorders to understand their profound effects. Depression. This is more than just feeling sad. It involves a persistent feeling of hopelessness, lack of energy, and loss of interest in activities once enjoyed. Depression can make it difficult to get out of bed, concentrate at work or school, and maintain social connections. It's like a dark cloud that follows you everywhere, draining joy and motivation. Anxiety. While everyone feels anxious from time to time, anxiety disorders involve excessive fear or worry that doesn't go away. This can manifest in physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, and trembling. Anxiety can prevent individuals from participating in everyday activities, making them avoid social situations, work, or even leaving the house. Bipolar disorder. This involves extreme mood swings that include emotional highs, mania or hypomania, and lows, depression. During manic phases, individuals might feel euphoric, overly energetic, or unusually irritable. Depressive episodes, on the other hand, can be debilitating. These shifts can disrupt relationships, job performance, and daily functioning. Schizophrenia, this severe mental disorder affects how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. People with schizophrenia may seem like they have lost touch with reality, experiencing hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking. This can make everyday activities incredibly challenging and often requires comprehensive treatment and support. Understanding these disorders is crucial because it promotes empathy and breaks down stigma. It's important to remember that mental health conditions are not a sign of weakness, but rather a sign that someone needs support. With proper treatment and understanding, individuals with these disorders can lead fulfilling lives. Let's continue to raise awareness and support those affected by mental health disorders. Symptoms of mental health issues. Emotional symptoms. Let's start with the emotional symptoms of mental health issues. These can be particularly challenging because they directly affect how a person feels on a day-to-day basis. Symptoms can include persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness. You might find that you feel anxious for no apparent reason, or that your mood swings dramatically without warning. Some people experience excessive anger or irritability, making it hard to interact positively with others. It's important to recognize these feelings as potential signs of a deeper issue, rather than just passing moods. Physical symptoms. Mental health issues often manifest in physical ways too. You might notice significant changes in your sleep patterns, either sleeping too much or struggling with insomnia. Appetite can also be affected, leading to weight gain or loss. Energy levels might fluctuate, leaving you feeling constantly fatigued or unusually restless. These physical symptoms are your body's way of signaling that something isn't quite right. Don't ignore these signs. They can be crucial indicators that your mental health needs attention. Behavioral symptoms. Behavioral symptoms can be some of the most noticeable and disruptive. You might start to withdraw from social activities you once enjoyed, preferring isolation over interaction. This can strain relationships with friends and family. Changes in performance at work or school are also common. You might find it hard to concentrate, complete tasks, or maintain the same level of productivity. Another significant sign is the increased use of alcohol or drugs as a coping mechanism. These behaviors are often attempts to manage overwhelming emotions or stress, but they usually end up creating additional problems. Recognizing these symptoms early can make a huge difference. If you notice any of these signs in yourself or others, it's important to reach out for help. Mental health professionals can provide the support and treatment needed to manage these symptoms and improve overall well-being. Remember, acknowledging these symptoms is the first step toward better mental health. Let's work together to break the stigma and encourage open conversations about mental health. Stigma. Despite its crucial importance, mental health is often surrounded by stigma. This stigma manifests in many ways, from derogatory language to misconceptions about mental illness. People struggling with mental health issues may be unfairly judged or labeled as weak or crazy. This negative perception can be incredibly harmful, discouraging individuals from seeking the help they desperately need. Imagine feeling overwhelmed by anxiety or depression, but fearing that reaching out will result in ridicule or discrimination. This fear can lead to silence, suffering in isolation, and worsening mental health conditions. Raising awareness about mental health is a powerful tool to combat this stigma. When we talk openly about mental health, we normalize these conversations, making it easier for everyone to seek help. Awareness campaigns can educate the public about the reality of mental health issues, dispelling myths and promoting understanding. For instance, knowing that mental health conditions are medical issues, not personal failings, can change perspectives significantly. Open conversations about mental health can encourage early intervention, which is crucial for effective treatment. The earlier someone gets help, the better their chances of managing their condition and leading a fulfilling life. Public figures and influencers sharing their mental health journeys can also have a profound impact, showing that anyone can struggle with these issues and that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Moreover, awareness initiatives can highlight available resources, from hotlines to therapy services, making it easier for people to find the support they need. Community support groups and mental health education in schools are other effective ways to promote mental health awareness and support. Creating a culture where mental health is valued and openly discussed can save lives. By raising awareness, we foster an environment where everyone feels safe to talk about their mental health, seek help, and support each other. Together, we can break down the barriers of stigma and build a more compassionate and understanding society. Let's continue to champion mental health awareness and make a real difference in people's lives. How to support mental health? Self-care. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as looking after your physical health. One effective way to support your mental well-being is through self-care practices. Regular exercise can have a significant positive impact on your mood and energy levels. Activities like walking, running, or yoga release endorphins, which help reduce stress and improve your overall sense of well-being. Healthy eating is another crucial aspect. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. It's amazing how what you eat can directly influence how you feel. Adequate sleep is essential for mental health. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep hygiene practices, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment, can make a big difference. Mindfulness practices, like meditation and deep breathing exercises, can help you stay grounded and manage stress. These techniques encourage you to focus on the present moment, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Incorporating these self-care practices into your daily routine can greatly enhance your mental health. Seeking help. While self-care is vital, it's also important to recognize when you need professional help. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health issues, seeking help from a mental health professional is crucial. Therapists and counselors can provide a safe space to talk about your feelings and work through challenges. They use various techniques and therapies tailored to individual needs. Medication can also be a valuable part of treatment for many people. Psychiatrists and doctors can prescribe medication to help manage symptoms of mental health disorders. Remember, there's no shame in needing medication to support your mental health, just as there's no shame in taking medication for physical health conditions. Early intervention can lead to better outcomes, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. By seeking professional support, you take an important step towards managing your mental health and improving your overall quality of life. Let's prioritize mental health and support each other on this journey to well-being. Mental health is crucial for overall well-being. Recognizing symptoms and raising awareness can make a significant difference. Let's break the stigma together. Share this video to spread awareness and leave a comment about how you take care of your mental health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.